an Indigenous Canadian artist or the father of Indigenous art, Norval Morrisseau was born in 1931. He is best known for using bright colors and portraying traditional stories, spiritual themes, and political messages in his work. According to Anishinaabe tradition and culture, he spent his early childhood with his grandparents. He learned cultural stories and traditions from his grandfather, and he learned Catholicism from his grandmother. Both of them became very important in his art practices. At the age of 6, he was sent to the residential school where he experienced sexual and psychological abuse that left him with deep emotional scars. During his lifetime, he did not receive any formal art training. He creates really vibrant and unique paintings using inspiration from his indigenous background. So he draws stories that he had heard or dreams he had. He likes using bright colors and continuous black outline to define the shape of whatever he is painting. His painting challenged people to rethink how they understand indigenous art. The black outline in his work not only unify the composition but represent continuity and relationship between all things. His colors are very powerful and healing, and his marks are expressive and intuitive. As his painting disclosed traditional spiritual knowledge, so this is the reason that he was not encouraged by his own people. As he raised awareness of indigenous culture, Morrisseau inspired many other First Nation artists to take up similar themes and styles in his work. During his first show in a gallery, he received mixed reviews and he sold all his painting at a very first night, and he was framed as a painter of legends. From different exhibitions, he got different names such as Picasso of North and the Indian Group of Seven. He was also given a name Copper Thunderbird after a healing ceremony, which he considered a very powerful and healing name. During his lifetime, he made numerous paintings such as Man Changing into Thunderbird, Thunderbird Transformation, Self-Portrait by Demons, Water Spirit, Indian Jesus Christ, The Gift, The Storyteller, The Artist and His Grandfather, and many more that I found to be very famous. His painting depicting spirituality and oral tradition and vision in his work, carrying important meaningful messages to the viewer. While he was initially criticized for breaking the traditional rules and sharing ceremonial knowledge, in his painting he eventually became celebrated as a leader in indigenous art. With the help of his painting, he was able to explain the existence of spiritual world. He was a man of his words. His thoughts are very influential. He provides a new direction to indigenous art that no other artist can provide. No one thinks like him. His work was really great Thunderbird work. Because of his unique styles of painting, he promoted the recognition of indigenous art. He was also the creator of Woodland School of Art. Morrisseau continued to have many exhibitions over the years, and in 2006, the National Gallery of Canada held a retrospective of his work, the first retrospective of a contemporary Indigenous artist held at the gallery. He passed away the following year, but his legacy and impact on contemporary art continue. So after reading so many articles and watching so many videos, I believe that through his painting, he tells the story of his people, his culture and his religion. And those stories are the myth. He involves the principle of transformation, which I found very fascinating, and his way of doing paintings and conveying his messages are extremely interesting.